I would like to say that rankings are seen by some as a necessary evil and by some as really a strategy to find their place in the collegium of universities and establish position. I have two distinctions to make. One is that everybody is not competing on the same dimensions or for the same kind of limited space. Those who aspire to get international rankings would certainly have to pay attention to the current ranking system and how it is being done. In the Indian context today, we may also have to develop an alternate system of rankings which introduces parameters which have not been given adequate weightage in the existing systems that we have been discussing in this conference. And we certainly need to move away from the popular magazine and journal rankings that we see, because they don't really provide a very meaningful input to those who want to strategize for their institutions and move up the quality ladder.
So what is your view on this online revolution that's, taken grip over the past decade or so? Do you think universities should try to move towards MOOCs, towards distance learning, and some of the things that we discussed yesterday?
Again, I don't see MOOCs as replacing completely the conventional system that we have been following for years and centuries, in fact. But MOOCs is a very, very innovative and useful supplement to what we are currently doing. And it's also an opportunity for students to get access to some of the finest faculty anywhere in the world, number one. To also set up an interaction and a network with international students. And thirdly, to be assessed in a relative manner to those students. So it is an essential and useful component of the learning of students. I don't see it as replacing the existing system. Of course, it will also help institutions improve access and reduce costs.
So how has your experience been at this retreat?
Well, it's been a delightful experience. I could not come the first two times. This is the first time I have come. What I enjoyed the most were the keynote sessions. Unfortunately, I missed those on the first day, but both yesterday and today, the keynote sessions were very good. And every intervention provides a learning opportunity. So some of the discussions were also very helpful. And I'm sure that they have planted some thoughts in my mind, and some of these I will pursue in discussion with my colleagues.